What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with Google Gemini, Google's latest large language model. Google Gemini offers powerful features for writing assistance, information research, idea generation, and much more. Head to gemini.google.com to access this page. You'll be required to log in to your Google account to start chatting with Gemini. When you first access Gemini, take a moment to understand the interface. Toggle dark mode by going to Settings, Dark Mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. From your settings, head to Gemini's extensions to enhance Gemini's functionality. Make sure to take all the extensions you want to use. One of the standout features of Google Gemini is its writing assistance. Whether you need help drafting emails, creating reports, or writing essays, Gemini can assist you. Simply type your request and Gemini will generate text based on your input. You can also highlight text and use the shorter or longer options to adjust the length of the response. Click on Regenerate to quickly regenerate that part of the response. Google Gemini excels at gathering and summarizing information. For example, you can type an ad to connect with an app, use @Gmail to find recent emails, or @YouTube to analyze and summarize videos. When connected, Gemini will have access to your emails. It can also turn data into tables for easy analysis. You can also export table data directly to Google Sheets for further manipulation. For developers, Gemini offers code generation and review capabilities. Whether you need to create new code snippets or review existing ones, Gemini can assist you. This feature is more advanced with Gemini Advanced, which you can test for free for 2 months. In this example, I will simply copy and paste a Python script as a plain text. Gemini will explain which functions are defined and what they calculate. Gemini supports multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for users around the globe. Whether you need to translate text or generate content in a different language, Gemini has you covered. If you're unsure about a response from Gemini and want to fact-check it, then click on the Google icon under the response. This will take a moment to evaluate the response with a Google search. You can then click on Understand the results and you'll be presented the evaluation of its statements. To modify the entire response, click on the Settings icon. Next, go to the Google button. Here, change the response by regenerating a shorter, longer, simpler, more casual or more professional response. This might come in handy if you're answering emails. Click on the image icon in your text field to upload a file, such as a PDF document or an image. This will allow Gemini to quickly analyze the information. In this example, I'm asking information about a picture of a dog, and it should answer with the exact breed. You can do this with most images, but it won't allow you to ask queries about images with faces of people in them. Even cartoons or fictional characters can get blocked. In the second example, I will upload this artistic image of a brain, and Gemini will reference this image with a research paper by DeepMind, showing you that it can find the origin of an image using Google Lens. If you want to check back in your previous conversations with Gemini, then click on this menu icon to expand your chats. In case you feel like you made a mistake or a typo in your chat with Gemini, then click on this pencil icon to rewrite the text. Depending on where you're located, you will have access to more features with Google Gemini, such as generating images or comparing multiple uploaded files. You can make use of a VPN to quickly change your location to California to get access to all currently available features. I will leave a link to my preferred VPN in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.